Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus WPS. Let's dive into their fundamental distinctions. Excel, part of Microsoft 365, is known for its powerful analytical tools and deep integration with other Microsoft products. WPS Spreadsheets, on the other hand, is a popular free office suite, offering a user-friendly interface and excellent file compatibility. Your choice often depends on your budget and specific feature requirements. When it comes to features, Excel provides a comprehensive suite for professional data analysis, including sophisticated formulas, macros, and extensive add-ins. WPS Spreadsheets covers all the basics and offers a good range of advanced features, often sufficient for most users. It also boasts a built-in PDF editor and generous cloud storage, adding extra value to its free offering. Performance is another key differentiator. Excel is optimized for handling massive datasets and intricate calculations, making it the industry standard for large-scale data management. WPS Spreadsheets is often praised for its lighter footprint, running smoothly on systems with less powerful hardware. Both applications offer excellent compatibility with common file formats, ensuring seamless document sharing across platforms. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require the most advanced analytical capabilities, extensive integration, and are part of a larger organization, Excel is likely your preferred option. For personal use, students, or those seeking a free, efficient, and feature-rich alternative, WPS Spreadsheets is an excellent contender. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.